In this video, I'll show you how to download a folder from Google Drive without zipping it. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. In the Google Drive web browser version, when you download a folder, Google normally compresses it into a zip file first. Google's official Drive help explains folder downloads through the browser, and the practical workaround for getting a normal folder instead of a zip is to use Google Drive for Desktop, which syncs the folder directly to your computer rather than packaging it as a download. So, if you want the folder on your computer without zipping, the best method is to install Google Drive for Desktop. After you install it and sign in, Google says you'll see a Google Drive folder on your computer. From there, you can browse your Drive files and folders directly in File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac. Once you're signed in, open Drive for desktop settings and choose how you want your files to work. Google says you can use Stream Files if you want cloud-based access that uses less local storage, or Mirror Files if you want your Drive files stored both in the cloud and on your local hard drive. If your goal is to keep the folder as a regular local folder on your computer, Mirror Files is usually the better option. After that, open the Google Drive folder on your computer and find the folder you want. Because you're accessing it through Drive for Desktop instead of the browser download button, the folder appears as a normal folder structure with its subfolders and files, not as a zip archive. That means you can open it, copy it, move it, or keep it synced locally, just like a regular folder on your desktop. Now, if you try to do this directly from the Google Drive website, Google's browser download flow will still treat the folder as a download job, which is why it gets compressed. So if you specifically want to avoid zip completely, don't use the normal download option from the website for the folder. Use Drive for Desktop instead. So the basic idea is simple. If you download a folder from the Google Drive website, it will usually come as a zip file. But if you install Google Drive for Desktop, sign in, and access the folder through the local Google Drive folder on your computer, you can get it as a normal folder without zipping. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.